What is up, guys? These days we're gonna cross into tech speak and have a study. Solving or changing our privateness settings. And that is pretty specific, so the first factor you bought to do is soar into TikTok, and on the lowest right hand facet you will find your profile. As soon as you've opened your profile, you leap up into the top proper hand facet. On the three traces you faucet that, and you may open a tab and it says Settings and Privacy. Right here second from the top you may see the privateness option. So what you're going to do is you're going to faucet on that and it's going to open this menu right here. Now this menu essentially controls everything that people can see and can't see. So from the top you have got the primary choice that you could toggle on and off. Private account, and this basically says with a private account, best customers you approve can observe you and watch your videos. So this basically will allow human beings to engage together with your profile. Or your profile will not be you might not be capable of produce other human beings react or engage along with your profile. Then in case you move down that menu, you'll see a pair exceptional options here. First off being your downloads. Your downloads would permit other humans to download the videos which you publish. Now in case you toggle that on, then different humans other people could be able to download your motion pictures. If it is off, then no person will be able to download your films. You may do the equal with the feedback. You could change that to absolutely everyone being no person at all. Now there's a gaggle of various options. In the comment phase you could study is appropriate on your precise profile and precisely what it's miles that you want. In here on this menu you can basically exchange any one of those alternatives to being seen to all and sundry or simply to yourself and feature it guys, that is essentially the first class manner. You may thank you very, very much for looking. Appreciate your remarks, and if you want like what we put out, join the channel and we are hoping to capture you in the next video. Cheers.